Hi, friends. We've spent the last many days looking intently at who God is and what He's like. Starting today and running throughout Easter, I'd like to look at what He did, meaning the cross. You see, Paul famously said in 1 Corinthians 15:3, Christ died for our sins. But what does this mean? Did God require that humanity produce the perfect man to represent all humans as a blood sacrifice to God? And did this sacrifice appease God's wrath and usher in His forgiveness toward humanity? Jesus told us He came to give His life as a ransom for many. But who required this ransom? And who was holding us hostage? We'll answer these questions in the coming days. Godspeed, my friends. Have you ever wondered what God is like? At times, He's been depicted as a malicious and overbearing dictator, and other times as an uninvolved and impersonal force. Some say we can't put God in a box. He's too mysterious, too unpredictable. Sometimes it seems that the Bible has already placed God in the box of mystery and unpredictability. But if we connect all the dots the Bible presents, we actually can find the box that God fits into. And we might be very surprised when we clearly see the God who fits into that box.